Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the roof antenna blueprint in Subnautica 2. If you're a builder who enjoys adding more detail to your underwater base, then the roof antenna is a great decorative blueprint to pick up. Before heading out, make sure you've already unlocked the heat tolerance adaptation. Start from your life pod and head at a bearing between 105 and 120 degrees on your compass. Keep swimming straight until you reach the high temperature zone. Once you pass by the first large arching rock formation, continue a little farther and you'll begin hearing the signal from a nearby data card. Look for an opened crate beside a large tube-shaped rock formation. Then check inside the neighbouring tube-like rock to the left of the crate, where you'll find the glowing roof antenna data card. Simply interact with it to unlock the blueprint. After that, return to your base and build roof antennas using your habitat builder. You'll find them under the Furniture and Decor tab, where you can place them on your base's roof to give it a more realistic and lived-in appearance. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.